Bonjour, hi, Cécilia here. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Lampe Berger to add ambiance and fragrance to your space. And this is Lampe Berger, which means berger lamp in French. It is a catalytic lamp you light to both remove bad smells and diffuse scent in your space. How to use it? First, fill the lamp to 2/3 of the way with fragrance. Then insert the dry wick. Oh, and the next step is very important. Make sure to cover your lamp with the stopper cap so the perfume doesn't evaporate. Wait for 20 minutes and then light your lamp. And then you'll be waiting for 2 more minutes. And after that, you blow out the flame and cover your lamp with a diffuser cap. Et voilà! The air now feels fresh and clean, and I really love having a French fragrance at home, à la maison.